recording. So after an hour and 15 minutes in at 44.75 with two contracts, looking for something that makes sense in terms of the numbers. Up here at 48ish and then up at 50. Okay, stopped on that one. So I feel like I got in too soon there. I'm going to reassess the situation and then get back on it. Okay, now that it's busted up there, now I can go 43 and a quarter to get the stop under 41 and 3/4. So 43 and a quarter, I'll put that order on and I will take it off if it gets up to 48. I'm getting ready to put on 41.50 with one contract, simply because I've seen a bigger picture forming here. So 41.50, have a stop way down here, and then I'm going to go off and get something to eat. So let's see if we can get to 41.50 again. Okay, we got filled there, 41.50. Going to leave that, go off and get something to eat, and come back and see where we are. Okay, that one got stopped, looking for the next thing. Third trade of the evening, 29 short, ignoring this appendix here because it's just been piling down all the time. Also the fact that there was another appendix here, so we'll see how that goes. Same modus operandi, take what we can, if it makes sense in terms of risk to reward. Another stop, that may be the last one of the day. Back if there's something else. I'm long again here for the second time at the 32.5 zone, looking for 40ish again. That will be the last trade of the day if I get stopped. Stopped, and that's the last big down day today. Experimenting. Let's have a quick look at what we did. I missed this trade here. I was doing well up until this point. Hesitation here. And after that, what I'm noticing is if I don't take something, if I hesitate, my judgment is off, and this in retrospect is a bad trade, although technically speaking it can be seen as a pattern failure. The same here because we have the appendix going against it. This one, fair enough, I took this despite the appendix here just because we were going down so hard, and now I took this long here a bit prematurely, and then the second one is a good trade to have taken. So very poor trading. Probably will go up to the 40 now, but poor trading. Gonna have to reassess, may be skipping a few videos while I reassess and see what needs to be done to move forward. Back at it soon. So today's actually the 23rd of September, so it's the day after this recording, the rest of the recording. But I just had to add the additional trades that I took after and also before the session, because where we left off was right here, where I'd taken this loss here, long here, and then out down here about 30.25, I think that is. Yeah, so 32.50 long, and I had said if this stops out, that's the end of my day. And that was one, so that was the fourth trade. We had 1, 2, 3, 4 trades caught on video for a grand total of 1, 2, 3, 4, somewhere around a $355 loss. That looks like 1, 2, 3, 4. No, a $385 loss. About 385. But beforehand, earlier in the day, and I usually only trade between 5 and 8, as I've said in another video, but the price action was favorable. I was around, so 11:30ish in the morning I took a long here, stopped for break even before it went a good way in favor. Took another long here, that went more than an hour in favor and then stopped me for break even. I insisted with one more trade and I ended up with just over an hour worth of gains. So I finished up about $108 for that morning into afternoon session. Then I went away and I came back. We just missed this long here and that was caught on video. Then I proceeded to take 4 losses. First one here, and that long should have actually been taken down here. And then I took a long here and this was just pushing the trend, like fighting the tape, and I lost there. Took a short here, that was the end of the trend. And then took a long that got stopped. But I carried on after that, for better or for worse. At that point I was down $365 for the day, and I took another, no, I was down $278 for the day. Took another loss here which brought me to a day low of $365, and then proceeded to catch these 2 nice winners. A short here from a pattern failure based on this momentum reversal here. Brought it right down to this zone of action and also support here. And then took a 2 wave and trees long based off of this momentum reversal and carried that back up to the zone of action of the initial short. So all said and done, between those 2 trades I made 5 points here and then 6.25 points here, so 11.25 points in about 11 minutes. So gains definitely aren't linear. I'm kind of glad I continued trading, but we're gonna have to see if this is sustainable. So that was yesterday, stroke today, the 22nd. This is still day 7, and so that's it. Back at it tomorrow.